Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Dev Insider. Today we're going to dive into the basics of web development by learning how to create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files in two popular code editors, VS Code for desktop users and Spec Editor for Android and iOS users. These editors are essential tools for any web developer, providing a structured environment to write, edit, and manage your code. So, let's get started and build our first web page together. So for Android and iOS users, we are going to be showing on how to install and run Spec Editor. For iOS users, you can download it in Apple Store. So for Android users, locate the Play Store app on your Android device's home screen or app drawer. Tap on it to open. Use the search bar to find the app you want to download. Type the app's name, which is SPCK Editor. Once you find the SPCK Editor app, tap on its icon to view its details page. Before downloading, read the app's description, user reviews, and ratings to get a better understanding of its features and performance. If you're satisfied with the app, tap the Install button. The app may request certain permissions to function properly. Review the permissions and tap Accept if you agree. The app will start downloading and installing. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and the app's size. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button. Tap it to launch the app for the first time, and it will launch the SPCK editor. So once it launched the SPCK editor, you will see a demo project which was being created with JavaScript mostly, and that is Snake Game. So to create your first file or project, which is HTML file, this is how to create it with SPCK Editor. Click on the left top bar menu, which is Hamburger. Once it opened, click on the navigation button. So they are different selection there, and we are going to select Workspace. Once you click on the workspace, scroll down to Template, then select HTML Template. So in the project name, you can give your project file any name you want to name it. For me, I will name mine My First Project. Then click on the Create button. Please accept my sincere congratulations on your achievement of creating your first HTML file. Your hard work and dedication are evident. I'm impressed by your progress. Keep learning and experimenting with HTML. You'll be a pro in no time. So for desktop users, we are going to learn how to create your first project. Which HTML using Visual Studio Code. VS Code is a popular text editor for developers, and it's a great tool for creating HTML files. Here are the steps. 1. Create a new folder. Navigate to the desired location where you want to create the folder. Right-click and select New Folder. Enter the desired name for the folder and press Enter. So right-click on the folder and select Terminal. Then in the terminal, type code dot and press Enter. Then it will open the folder in VS Code, make sure it's already been installed in your desktop. So the next thing to do is to head over to Explorer. Then you will now see the folder you just created. So click on the New File button to create a HTML file, then type index.html and press Enter. After that, type the exclamation mark and wait for it to pop up Emmet abbreviation, and then press Enter. That's awesome. You've successfully created your first HTML file with VS Code. You should be proud of yourself. If you have any questions or need help with a specific coding problem, join my community on Telegram and let's discuss. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating an HTML file with VS Code and SPCK Editor. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.